Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Joseph Online Classes. I'm Meenakshi Beri, your maths teacher. Today, I'm going to explain you simplification exercise 7D. Please open your books. Exercise 7D. In mathematics, things like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are called operations. In mathematics, things like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are called operations. In this exercise, we will learn a new operation called OF. OF means multiplication. 6 of 8 means 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to 48. 7 of 9 means 7 multiplied by 9, 7 nines are 63. Of means multiplication. Of means multiplication. Of means multiplication. Odd mass rule. In a sum that has many operations, the order in which the operations are to be done is given by odd mass rule. In a sum that has many different operations means in one sum, if we are having addition, subtraction, multiplication and division together, we have to solve the sum with the help of odd mass rule. O means off, D means divide, M means multiply, A means addition and S means subtraction. We have to follow the order. First of all, off, then division, after it multiplication, then addition, and in last we have to do the subtraction. Rule: do the off operation first, then divide, multiply, add the plus numbers and minus numbers separately. Subtract the numbers you get. This is the rule. Do the off operation. That means first of all you have to do the multiplication, the number, then divide, multiply, add the plus numbers and subtract the numbers separately. Subtract the numbers, then you get the answer. Let's start exercise 7D. We will solve this exercise according to odd mass rule. Question number 1, A part. 36 divided by 4 multiplied by 5. According to odd mass rule, we are having two signs in this question: division and multiplication. According to the rule, first we will do division. 36 divided by 4. Count the table of 4. 4 nines are 36. 9 will come. Put the multiplication sign and the rest number is 5. 9 fives are 45 is the answer. Question number 1, B part. 72 divided by 4 of 3. According to odd mass rule, first of all, we will solve off. Off means multiplication. 4 of 3 means 4 multiplied by 3. 72 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. First do the multiplication. 4 3s are 12. Then divide. 72 divided by 12 is equal to 6. I'll explain the question again to you. According to odd mass rule, first of all, we have to solve off. Children, off is written between 4 and 3. That means we have to multiply 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12 is the answer. After off, you have to divide the number. Which sign is given? Division is given. Divide 72 by 12. Answer is 6. 12 6 are 72. Question number 2, A part. 16 multiplied by 4 minus 56 divided by 40. In this sum, you can see three signs: multiplication, subtraction and division. According to the rule, first of all, we will divide the number, right? Which numbers you can divide? 56 and 40. Count the table of 14. 14 fours are 56. 4 is the answer. Rest number you have to write as it is only. 16 multiplied by 4 minus 4. Do the multiplication. 16 fours are 64 minus 4. Last step you have to subtract. 64 minus 4 is equal to 60. Question number 2, B part. 240 divided by 15 of 8 multiplied by 3. Step 1, off. Off is written between two numbers 15 and 8. 15 8s are 120. Now start writing the question. 240 divided by 120 multiplied by 3. Step 2, divide 240 and 120. Answer is 2. Step 3, multiply 2 with 3. Answer is 6. Again, first of all, you have to solve off. Okay? 15 8s are 120. Then divide. 240 divided by 120 is equal to 2. Then multiply. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 is the answer. Question number 3, C part. 140 divided by 5 plus 4 of 120. Okay. Step 1, you have to solve off. 4 of 120 means 4 multiplied by 120. Answer is 480. Then you have to step 2, divide. 140 divided by 5 is equal to 28. Then add 28 plus 480 is equal to 508. According to odd mass rule, always you have to solve the sums. First of all, solve off. Second step, divide. Third step, add the numbers. Question number 3, A part. 3600 divided by 90 multiplied by 10 plus 5 of 24 minus 120 divided by 6. In this sum, you can see all the signs: division, multiplication, off and subtraction. Step 1. First of all, we will solve the off. Off is written between 5 and 24. 5 multiplied by 24 is equal to 120. Okay. Rest all the numbers you have to write as it is only. 3600 divided by 90 multiplied by 10 plus 120 minus 120 divided by 6. Step 2, you have to divide according to the odd mass rule. Division is written between two numbers. 3600 divided by 90 and 120 divided by 6. Answer is 40 multiplied by 10 plus 120 minus 20. Step 3, multiply. 14 into 10 is equal to 400 plus 120 minus 20. Then add 400 plus 120 is equal to 520 minus 20. Okay. Answer is 500. Question number 3, B part. 128 divided by 16 of 4 plus 325 multiplied by 7 minus 165. Okay. Step 1, solve off. Off is written between two numbers. 16 of 4. 16 multiplied by 4 is equal to 64. Now 128 divided by 64 plus 325 multiplied by 7 minus 165. Next step, divide. 128 divided by 64 is equal to 2. 2 plus 325 multiplied by 7 minus 165. 2 plus 2275 minus 165. Add 2277 minus 165. Step 5, subtract. Answer is 2112. Question number 4. 5120 of 16 divided by 64 multiplied by 20 plus 18 multiplied by 180. First of all, solve of multiplication. Multiply 5120 with 16. You will get the answer 81920. Divided by 64 multiply by 20 plus 18 into 180. Divide. Answer is 1280 multiply by 20 plus 18 multiply by 180. 1280 multiply by 20. Answer is 25600, and when you multiply 18 with 18, answer is 3240. Do the addition. Answer is 28840. Question number 4, B part. 2616 divided by 8 of 3 minus 21 multiplied by 10 plus 132 of 15. Children, in this sum, you can see of is written in two places. 8 of 3 and 132 of 15. First we will solve 8 of 3. 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. And 132 of 15. 132 multiplied by 15 is equal to 1980. Now, again write down the question. 2616 divided by 24 minus 21 multiplied by 10 plus 1980. Step 2, you have to divide. When you divide 2616 with 24, you will get the answer 109. Then write down 109 minus 210 plus 1980. First add 1980 and 109. Answer is 2089. Then subtract 210. 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 1, 7. Borrow 1. 10 minus 2, 8. 1. 1879 is the answer. 1879 is the answer. Children, do all the work neatly in the copy. Thank you and have a nice day.